Okay, so we're just going to show a bit more progress here. We're all learning as this goes here. And if you want to come in a bit closer, I'll just show that we've come up with an improved method of capturing. You can see instead of an e-bike here, we're just using a regular bicycle. Again, we've replaced the, you can see that there's this divot. We've replaced the crank bolts on both sides here so that this the skewer goes in and captures it. Anyway, there's a little clip of it working. Undo the cam, pull it up, and pull it in the slot so that the pin can come through. So that when it's properly adjusted, it really does come through, or will come through quite smoothly. Lock it on, pull it up, out she goes. Back in, down, lock it on, and you can see there's a hole here that lines up for our padlock to go through, so that the bike is really locked onto the vehicle. As we play around with this, I think it becomes clearer that this is the kind of carrier that should be built for a specific bike. If we come up with an optimal delivery bike, and I think that's what we're converging on, this would all be welded. It wouldn't be adjustable, and it would be quite a simple mechanism. You just have that cam, bring the bike on, roll it up, and lock it on with that. And once the padlock is in, because everything else would be welded, this thing would be very secure. Just from a theft perspective, it would be quite well attached to the truck. The other thing you might just worth noting here, if you just close in, we can see we're still experimenting with this pedal stand idea, and actually we've been doing some more testing, and it really is a very solid way of doing it. It's not the only stand you want to have on the delivery bike, but by having it one on either side of the bike, and here you can see we've just made it adjustable in length, it allows the bike or the rider to have much more flexibility in terms of centering the load. If let's say there's 100 pounds of cargo on this thing, depending on road camber and whatnot, this arrangement here allows you to effectively adjust the height of the stand just by the angle that it's going to be sitting on the ground. So we're cleaning up the pedal, and we're working on an improved braking mechanism up on the handlebar. So I think that adds something to the concept. But in print, the main feature is having the carrier work very well with the bike, and as shown in the previous video there, it's all about the cargo handling. And I think that the idea that we're onto with this folding little trolley that also turns into a trailer as needed is a good way to make the bike compact and fully self-sustained on its carrying rack. So a little bit helter-skelter. We're slowly converging on something that's good, and I think sharing the development of the actual device. Next phase, finally, would be to get out there and do some actual delivery work to see the operational constraints and just when and where this actually works well. So that's the next thing that'll be coming up.